I'm about to tell something that every billionaire knows, but no one is ready to talk about it. There's a price you have to pay as a young entrepreneur. And no, it's not money, it's not time, it's something way personal. For the longest time, I thought successful people were just exaggerating it. I would watch their podcast, hear them talk about all the crazy sacrifices that you have to make, and I would think to myself, come on man, there's no way it can be that extreme, right? Then I started on my own journey. I joined this new university and I realized they weren't exaggerating all this time. This video isn't for people who are looking for quick hacks, quick wins. No. This isn't for you. This is for entrepreneurs and business owners who already have their business and they want to 10x their company, themselves, and make quantum leaps. If you're serious about exponential growth, keep watching because what I'm about to share you might be uncomfortable, but it'll also set you free. Here's what nobody tells you about building something real. You're going to become an outcast, meaning you'll become the black sheep. Not because you're antisocial or anything like that, but because everyone around you have just lost their mind, bro. They talk about all meaningless bullshit. Let me paint you a picture. You're surrounded by people talking about the next party, chasing the next girl, drugs, sex, alcohol, smoking, drama, gossiping, you name it, man. When you try to have a real conversation with them, they're already bored. They want the next quick high, the next big fun thing, the next dopamine hit. Because let me tell you, all of these people have dopamine dysregulation. And suddenly you realize that you can't relate to anyone. Because here's the thing, you think logically and you think straight, and you want to have meaningful conversation with others. Meanwhile, they're out there chasing the next big thing. Like, it doesn't align with you, right? You don't play video games for hours, you don't drink, you don't smoke, you don't chase girls or date girls in general for fun. Even if you date, you're looking for someone serious, not this quick hookup or something. So yeah, long story short, you don't engage in surface level bullshit. And this is the moment most entrepreneurs face the fork in the road. Do you cave back and try to fit in, or do you pay the price? I remember watching podcasts and interviews of millionaires and billionaires, and they used to say that the path towards greatness and the path towards achieving success is going to be lonely and you have to endure that phase. I thought they were just being dramatic to make the show more interesting. But turns out they were telling the truth all along until it happened to me. Until the people I know for years started calling me delusional, you're crazy, why are you even dreaming about that? That's not possible. Like all these people were coming at me, bro. I get a lot of you're boring, bro, you're a grandpa, get your shit together. Like a lot of them. Trust me, I'm not even exaggerating. Like this is the reality. The noise got really loud and I had to make a choice. Look man, here's the bottom line. This is your life and you get to do whatever the fuck you want to do, right? Nobody can tell you that you have to do exactly this or else you're a no one. You get to define what a symphony of success is. However, if your priority is to scale exponentially, to 10x your business and grow as an individual, then you have to accept these three harsh truths. Number one is you have to be wise while others are reckless. While everyone else are optimizing for short-term pleasure and fun, you have to play the long game, my friend. That makes you different and that also makes you weird. You must own it. Number two is you have to say no more than yes. And again guys, this isn't forever, it's just for temporary. You need to cut out all the fun activities temporarily. Not permanently, just for the time being. You can still go out every now and then when you have accomplished every single thing that you wanted to do that week. But other than that, you have to log in and just put your head down, work. I know it sounds harsh, but if you want to achieve greatness, this is the price you must pay. If you don't want to achieve greatness and if you want to live a modest life, then please go ahead, bro. You get to define your symphony of success. I already told you, right? Number three is you have to ignore the noise. The moment you commit to something bigger, the criticism comes at you. You'll get a lot of, you're crazy, that's delusional, relax bro. These voices will come from your family, your friends, your closest confidants. But hey, you have to remain unfazed. Here's what most entrepreneurs get it wrong. They try to fake it. They try to look balanced. They apologize for being so obsessive over their dreams. Please don't do that, man. You must remain unfazed during that time. Listen, when I started my agency at the age of 17, people told me that I was crazy. I heard a lot of people who told me that you are never gonna sign up a client, they're gonna ask a degree, and you're not even completed your high school. How the hell are you gonna pull it off? But guess what? Until now, let me tell you, bro, not even one single person asked me for my degree or study qualification. All they care about is, do you know how to do that work and are you the best at it? That's it. If you check off both the box, you're good to go. Clients would beg to work with you. Internally, in my business environment and in myself, I was successful. But externally, with all the noises, with my friends telling that I'm delusional, even my family members, they were telling me to focus on education, study, but I know that I'm destined for greatness. So I was studying and doing business at the same time. Well, anyways, what I'm trying to say you is that you have to cut out the noise, bro. If not, you cannot survive. Do I feel sorry for being myself? Absolutely no. This is who I am, and if people like it, cool. If people don't like it, cool. I don't give a solitary fuck, bro. And you, my friend, who's watching this video, you have to embody this mindset to achieve greatness, or else you're gonna fall into the trap of this external validation, you thinking that others will think that you're weird, and all of that bullshit, right? Why do you want to do that? Let me give you a real life example, my guys. When I joined my new university, I was fully hyped. I thought that I'll find my people, I'll find more team members, I'll find another co-founder, and I was all hyped. But when I go into the university, guess what? I don't even find a single person who has a disciplined life. There's not even one single person, guys. Everyone is so fucking cooked. And this is when I realized that the competition is really low, bro. If you lock in right now and put in the work, like winning becomes inevitable. I've seen this in my own eyes. Trust me. So I go to this new university. I thought I was gonna find new people, new co-founders, but instead I found myself eating lunch alone, skipping all the social events where all the people gather and dance around, yay, like fucking idiots when they're all broke. And I'm also getting called grandpa for going to bed early. But that isolation, it forced me to get so good at my craft that everyone in this planet Earth would want to work with me. And that's when opportunities started coming my way. Here's the pattern, guys. Every single person who has scaled exponentially in their personal development and in business had a phase of that loneliness. That phase where everyone were calling them delusional, everyone were against them, even their own family were doubting them. It's all fine. It's all part of the journey. And if you're experiencing this, congrats, my friend. You're destined for greatness. All I can tell you is that continue doing your work, and in no time, you shall reach on top of the mountain. So, here's what I want you to do. If this resonated with you and if you're currently in this lonely phase, or if you're about to enter it, I want you to understand something. You're not broken, you're not weird, you're just ahead of the curve. And if you want help navigating your journey, if you want the right system to help you grow your business and yourself without burning out or losing bunch of money, go ahead and book a call with me. The link will be in the description, and let's talk, baby. I only work with a handful of entrepreneurs at a time, people who have already got something and who are willing to 10x their business themselves and who want to make a quantum leap. This is for you. And the best part is you don't have to sacrifice everything, guys. This isn't a massive program. It only requires you to put 90 minutes per week. That's it. Because I know your time is valuable. And honestly, if you can't scale your business and yourself with 90 minutes of focused duration in a week, then something is wrong. Spots are limited, guys. Again, I'm only picking 10 people. So make sure to book a call with me and let's have a chat. Look, bro, at the end of the day, being a young entrepreneur is tough. People will misunderstand you. People will call you delusional, but you have to endure that, my friend. So, my fellow seekers, embrace the loneliness, ignore the noise, ignore all the hate, say no more than yes, and keep building. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.